Hi everyone! I would like to show you a mini album that RosaKelly sent me. It is from her 25,000 subscriber giveaway, where we were supposed to send her a journal page entry for a journal that she was going to do called Circle of Friends, and she was going to put all those entries into the journal. She selected one winner from the entries, and I was selected. Yay! The prize was a mini album she was going to make, and the winner was to choose the theme and the size. I chose a family album size 8 by 10, and here it is. I'm going to show you now. Okay, so this is from RosaKelly. You can see her sticker there. It's very pretty. So let me take a look. Wow, look at this. It's so nice. Look, it has dimension. I really like it. Collect moments, not things. Okay, and then it says we are family. And then the back. Okay, and it looks like it has 3 signatures and then a front and a back cover. This is really nice, Rose. I like this paper and the cover. And it looks nice because it's a simple book. And it's just perfect for family that you can just put on the bookshelf or on your table. Okay, let's try to see inside. Okay, so we have this flat page. We are family. And then we open it. Okay, we have a page opening this way. A page opening to the other side. A page up. And look at these. It has flaps. And yes, it does have a lot of space. And look at this page. It has letters on it. Very good amount of photos here just on the cover. Really good. I love this house here, and it's the first one, so love grows here. It's very nice. Okay, let's open it. So nice. Okay, let's open it again. So we got this for pictures, and then this one has family words. Okay, and I believe this opens this way. And this one like this. So it's so nice to be, to be opening and looking at an album that RosaKelly did. It's so great. Oh, look at this page. I like the green, the tree. Very nice. And look at all those spaces for small photos. Okay, so we have this page that opens. And then this one opens like this. Very good. It lays flat very well. And I think this is for a pool. A house is made of wood and stone, but only love can make a home. That's very good, thank you. This is also a nice paper. I like that it's brown, but it's subtle. Wow, I like this wood paper too. Just everything how you combined it is all very nice. Choose joy. A space for photo. And now this one. This is the page that I like too. I like all of the pages. And this is a pocket here. Look at this. Another pocket here. we have a pocket, and it looks like it opens. This is so nice. I really like this tree. The color of the brown that it is so good. You see it in person, everything is so pretty. This is a tag, very nice. This is a nice looking tree. It's a very nice paper. I just like all of the pages. Okay, and here we have another booklet. Okay, so this opens up. And then it opens down. And then on this side there is a tag. I think it was. Okay, so that we can put a photo in there, and then underneath here. Okay, and we have this paper here. And then this looks like a waterfall of pages, and they grow in size. It's just a good way to display all the paper, because they're all of the pages are big. And this is a good way to put lots of big pages on the back cover with a waterfall like this. Okay, and I think that's it. Thank you very much, Rosa. I really love it, and I'm very happy to have a RosaKelly album here in my house. I really hadn't seen it before because I wanted to be surprised when I got it, so I was trying not to watch videos that were related to this album. So I really am surprised, and I really love everything. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye.